Switch on instruction. Important: before you switch on the system, please make sure that the power and compressed air supply is connected. Please turn on the main switch first. The compressed air supply will be released after a few seconds, electronically. Please wait until the user interface is booted. Now turn on control with the corresponding switch and press the button shortage unlock. Please remove the night cap from the 2C material valve and check the material valve. To do this, eject material using the pistol and check whether both components come out of the material joint. If this is not the case, please check the material joint for blockages and the function of the 2C material valve. Then please clean the material joint and place the mixer on it. After the mixer is seated on the material joint, the protective pipe can be screwed on. Please press the pistol to fill the mixer. The system is then ready for use. Switch off instruction. Please switch off the control switch first. Please remove the mixer afterwards. Please then press the pistol for at least 10 seconds to release the system's working pressure. After the working pressure has been released, please clean the material joint. Cover the material openings with the t-s-i.de lubricating grease, item number 0001-9998-0031, and screw on the night cap. Finally, switch off the main switch.